Okay, we're back. All right, so we left off this much left. Oh my gosh, we only have this much. Is it focusing? Why not? What's going on? Okay, that many left. Exciting much. Yee, okay, so 47 times 2. So this one's 94. So 50, 60, 70. Let's do 2 tens. 80, 90. I'm just gonna do 5. All right. Boom, 47. Oh wait. So I marked off 68, right? I did, but 47 is next. All right. And then the next one, 57 times 2. So this is 114. So 110, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. So 114. All right, 57 is here. All right, and then 40 times 2, it's gonna be 80. So 50, 60, 70, 80. Ah, what is it doing? All right, 40, so this is gonna be 82. So 50, 60, 70. Ooh. It's an ugly one. I'll do that. All right, so 50, 60, 70, 80, 1, 2. And that's 41. Get a little tight in there. All right, what am I doing next? All right, so we have 81 times 2, so that's 162. So 150, 61, 2. The way that we're dwindling down, I don't think I needed $4,000. Now I'm wondering, did I take out too much? What was that? 81. All right, 97 times 2. So 194. So 150, 60, 70, 80, 90. We're just gonna do a 5. All right, that was a 97. Okay. And then we have 44 times 2, so it's 88. So 50, 60, 70, 80. Look, we're just gonna do 90 because I would have had to do 5, 6. That's too many bills inside of the thing. I don't want it to be like overstuffed. So anyways, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. I'm just gonna do 90. Some of them have more, so I think this is gonna be more than 10,200. You hear them? And then we have 88. So 176. So 150, 60, 70, 576. 176. money is so gross. I have to refrain from. All right. Next one is 78 times 2, so it's 156. So 150. Look, this has tape on it. It goes to it, but let's put that in the back. So 150. This has tape on it too, and it's literally, oh my god, put that in the back. Okay, so 155, 56, 156. All right. Yeah, 49. So 98. So 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Should I just do 100? I should, because yeah, I'm just gonna do $100. Okay, yeah, let's just do that. 1,000 too much, maybe? No, maybe yes. I don't know. $100. All right, so 72. Wait, y'all, I only got a couple left. So 72 times 2, so 144. So 120, 40. Just gonna put a 5. Okay, this one is good. So 79 times 2, so 158. So 150, 60. Let's just do it. So that's 79. This is crazy. Just a couple. Okay. So 90 times 2, so 180. So 150, 60, 70, 80. That's a 90. Times 2, so 170. So 150, 60, 70. Well, let's do these because, yeah, you need to use some of these 10s. Ooh, these things stink. Oh, is this another one of those ones that are like, okay, so one of them that I had, oh, no, it's not that bad. One of them that I had was like completely stuck together, and I had to rip it and break the actual envelope in order to get the money in there. And I was like, dang, I hope no more are like that. But this one, it's okay. So 85 times 2, so 148. So we're just gonna do 150 because why not? I have a whole lot of hundreds in here. I think I took out maybe 1,000 too much. How many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. Maybe. I don't know. 1, 2, 3. I don't know. I'm about to find out. Alright, so that's it. So 69 times 2, 138. So 1, 20, 30. Let's just do 2 of these. 40. All right. Alright, so $69. There it is. Guys, this was a lot of hard work to accomplish. So 96 times 2, 192. So 1, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 1, 2. 192. It's about just a little bit over, so I think I'm good. 96, 64 times 2, 128. So 120. Let's just do 30. All right, 76 times 2, 152. So 150, 1, 2. $56. All right, so 56 times 2 is 112. So, oh my God, this is fun. Well, technically, I mean, this is my last one. I don't have any more that were supposedly empty that I know of. Okay. Oh my gosh, you guys. And boom. Okay, so now we need to find that 78 and the 68, and then let me just go over how much I have left. So I have 100. Okay, 200. Look at this right here. So 2, 4, 60, 80. So 280. 290. 300. Let's just say that. And then 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 91. What? That's 4. So 5, 10, 15, 25, 35, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that a sign? I got 444 left. What does that mean? No, I don't. Yes, I do. Make sure. Hold on. So I have 100. $100, 2, 4, 60, 80. So plus 80. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Plus 100. That's 380. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Oh, wait. 5, 10, 15, 20. Let me make sure. I'm not freaking out, am I? Didn't I have some ones? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. So plus 60. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus 4. That's 444. What does 444 mean? Oh man. We have to look into those angel numbers. Hold the phone. This is a sign. Everything is a sign. No, it's not. Yes, it is. What does 444 mean? Okay, angel number 444 conveys a powerful message of love, support, and guidance from your angels. It serves as a reminder that you are on the right path and your angels are by your side, offering their unwavering support. The number 4 symbolizes stability, security, and a strong foundation. Oh, That's the cutest. What does 444 mean in money? What does angel 44... Wait, what does angel number 444 mean for money? The number 4 is... No. The number 4 in numerology is associated with wealth. Aw, that means seeing it 3 times in a row is an indicator that prosperity is right around the corner. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy I caught this on camera. What? That's amazing. Okay, that's really amazing. So 78 and 68. I need to look through this thing and I need to make sure I find it. I'm gonna do this with you guys, and I'm gonna make sure I take out this extra money because it's gonna go to my other challenges. So Cynthia, let me put that in there. Oh wait, no, I do still need this marker though, because yeah, holding the fort. Without Cynthia we couldn't have done it. That's all I got to say. So yeah, this right here is gonna be for my other challenges. I have a few more, so I'm gonna need those. All right. Oh my goodness, this is $10,000. No, it's over $10,000. A little bit over. I can't believe it. It is done. I'll squish it together. This is what it is. Okay. Wow. I can't even really barely hold it in one hand. It's ready to pop out. Okay, so I am gonna keep this down. All right. 81. Oh, it's right here. I just did. See, how did I miss that? So my poor camera is overheating, so we're gonna give it a little bit of time. And I'm gonna come back, and I'm actually going to unstuff this. It needs to be unstuffed. Just doing the $10,000 savings challenge was like really hard. I don't think I want to do a $10,000 challenge again, simply because I told myself I was going to finish it in 3 months and I did not. And I was just trying to be like the other YouTubers that were finishing theirs, and 3 months. I was just watching them and I thought that I can do what they can do, but everybody is in like basically on their own separate cash stuffing journey. You can't put one person against another. It may be someone out there who doesn't want to do a $1,000 challenge because they cannot. They simply cannot, and that's okay, because at one point I kind of couldn't. I kind of couldn't do it. I remember when I was like putting freaking, I have a picture too. I would try to find it, but I would have to like go find that phone and charge it and then find it. But yeah, I remember at one point I was putting, and this is like years ago, I was still, and this took me a long time to do, and I've been doing savings challenges for years, but yeah, this was years ago, but not long ago to where I don't remember. I remember I think I put like, I think it was like 16 cents. And I know you're like, what? That's probably like 2 drops. But I put 16 cents of gas in my car. I remember that. It was a long time ago. I don't have the car anymore. I was in an accident. I had to get a new one. And the one that I got, had to put that 16 cents in. That was my first little, little putt. And it got me to and from. But yeah, no. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be able to pay off my new, well, not my new car, pay off my current car, and I'll have money left over because I don't owe $5,000 anymore on the car because I went over on the savings challenge days. So I actually owe, I think like 4,000, maybe 200 or so. So I have extra. So yeah, let this camera rest, and then I will come back and I will do a unstuffing and we'll go from there. Bye.